Hi, I'm Kevin Conniff, and I'm a BPA instructor here at SAIT.
Hi everyone, I'm Madeleine MacDonald. I teach in the School of Hospitality and Tourism, the beverage stream.
I'm Chef Victoria Gurman with the Baking and Pastry Arts program. I was on a show called The Big Bake.
And I was on a show called Holiday Baking Championship Season 10.
I was on the show Mixology Masters.
Today I'm going to be making a caramel Swiss roll with sweet potatoes. It's one of my favorite things to make around the holidays. It covers all of them from Thanksgiving right up to Christmas. This is the secret to the Swiss roll. You've got to heat up the egg yolks and the sugar, make it nice and light and fluffy. Most of our students here at SAIT, I think, have watched the Food Network show once or twice. That's some of the reason why they're here. You know, going into a strange environment, not knowing anybody, trying to make the best of it, trying to showcase your skills. Everything's brand new, so it definitely had a bit of an understanding of what some of our students here at SAIT must feel like on day one or even the first semester of the year.
I'm making the recipe lemon posset, which is a really old English recipe and very simple. This actually sets overnight, so the cream thickens and coagulates because of the acidity in the lemon juice. I really enjoyed the experience. One, because seeing how the TV crew all come together, really hard-working industry, very similar to ours, and seeing kind of how all the pieces fit together during making the show.
We shot things in a purposeful way. We filmed the opening scene as well as the closing scene at the end of the day. So a little backwards with the brain, right? But it was a really cool experience.
There's no clock. You have to trust the judges and you have to trust the hosts. When they tell you you got a half an hour, you got to move. When they tell you got 15 minutes, you got to move. So the time is up, that's it. So it's real time.
After being so exhausted, filming continuous days in a row, it's a little difficult to kind of wrap your brain around the challenges that they're giving you. For non-alcoholic spritz, a pomegranate spritz with ginger syrup, as well as a non-alcoholic sparkling wine. We'll give this a little stir just because the syrups tends to fall to the bottom. Following that, you just need to add some ice here. We'll be adding this non-alcoholic sparkling wine, pomegranate seeds as kind of a confetti for the drink. And we'll throw some rosemary in there just to make it look even more holiday ready. That's our non-alcoholic cocktail, Tinseltown.
Now I'm going to make the brandy snaps. Amazingly enough, it bubbles out to quite big. So you really don't want to make them too big. And you want to give them room on the tray as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip up some cream and pipe a pretty rosette on there and I like raspberries with lemon, so I'll put some fresh raspberries and then some brandy snap cookies.
Put that down, caramel mousse, we'll roll it up, we'll slice it, and we're going to eat it.
Oh, nice.
Nice, huh?
I think you don't really look very Christmassy.
What do you mean you don't look Christmassy?
I think I need to fix that.
You got something for me?
Yeah, I think
All right.
Santa needs to join the party.
Oh, look at this. I love it. Perfect.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I'm jealous now, though.
Jealous now?
Yeah.
Well, you know what? I got something for you.
Okay.
Let's fix you up here. Look at this, chef. You're going to put this one on.
Love it.
And now you're all ready for the holidays.
Yeah.
There we go. We're lit up.
Check it out. Way better.
Awesome.
Santa's secret. So it's a very easy cocktail to remember. It's all equal parts. So 1 ounce of Buffalo Trace bourbon, 1 ounce of Campari, and then we have 1 ounce of a sherry. We'll also add some Angostura bitters of the orange variety, not the classic. And then we'll get our ice in here. We'll stir this down. Okay. And then strain it into this beautiful tulip glass that we typically use for things like grappa. Then for our garnish, we'll actually just cut what's called a cheek from an orange. And all we have to do is just express the orange oil over the drink, as well as kind of rub it along the lips, as well as the legs, I like to call it.
Now we're spreading out the Swiss roll, getting it ready for the oven. You don't want to make it too thin. It'll be very brittle and start to crack, but at the same time, you don't want to make it too thick, because then it's too much. That's it, we're ready for the oven. Ta-da! Yeah, so something like that. We've got a decent caramel mousse there. Give it a try, chef. What do you think? And what I would do is I take my ruler or my yardstick, and I just put my hand on the bottom, and I apply a little bit of pressure, like so, until it starts to come out the edges. And then what we do is just ever so carefully, it's very, very fresh, very, very delicate. Wrap it around a couple times, and you can put it right on a sheet tray like so. Recommendation is put it into the fridge for a couple hours, let everything get nice and firm. How about this, chef? You decorate that one, I'll decorate this one.
Game on.
Deal, right? Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh, that's good.
So good, huh?
I'm gonna steal that one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. Really nice, right? This
I'm
one's
gonna
fresh.
steal this one.
This one's spicy. You want to trade?
Yeah.
You can have it. We'll swap recipes.
So good.
Spicy and citrus. I love it.
Delicious.
So for Kevin, I have Santa's Secret.
Very holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And really beautiful glass as well.
A little bit of spice here is forward here.
And then for Victoria, I've made Tinseltown.
It looks awesome.
It's beautiful. Oh, the ginger. Gorgeous.
Yeah, I thought the acidity would pair well with your lemon dessert. So, and ginger and lemon would always go really well. So.
Totally. I just need to try it again.
I absolutely love them. Well done.
Thank you.
Really good.
Amazing.
Cheers.
I forgot to say Kevin Lee.